Hello, it's High Tickle. You are watching Top 3 Best Neck Air Conditioner. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 3. MYMULIKE Portable Neck Air Conditioner. 360-degree all-around. Fashion style. Bladeless design. 3-gear adjustable wind speed. Compare with the others. Equipped with a strong brushless motor, it can generate stronger wind, cool you down in a few seconds. Set a soft silicone cover on the back of the neck, which can make your neck more comfortable. Number 2. CXLiy Neck Air Conditioner. The neck air conditioner has 2 modes with 6 gears. 3 gears of C button for cooling mode, and 3 gears of H button for heating mode. Allow you to use it in both summer and winter, truly achieving winter warmth and summer coolness. Neck air conditioners on the market are designed for cool cooling plates. Number 1. TORRAS COOLIFY 2 Neck Air Conditioner. Be fully refreshed from neck to face with COOLIFY 2 Personal Fans Immersive 360 degrees airflow. Experience up to 18 hours of cool air with just 3 hours charging. LED screen shows the battery life and setting mode,